Happy New Year to everyone. It's January 2nd and it is cold today. We're outside and the temperature this morning actually was 0. Today we want to talk about the efficiency of low E glass, and we want to show you the performance of low E glass. But first we want to start outside, show you how cold it is outside today, and I kind of want you to think about something before we go inside where it's warm. I want you to think about your windows. And I want you to think about your house, and I want you to think about the window that fills the open hole on your house. Come this way, please. Here we've got set up a little demo to kind of talk to you about glass. 80% of your window is glass, and it's real important to have the energy performance that glass offers. What we're going to show today is we're going to actually use a BTU meter. BTU just stands for British Thermal Units. It's a unit of energy, and that's kind of the standard terms that are talked about in the heating and the air conditioning industry, and the energy that goes into your house and heats your house. So what we're going to do today is have our heat source. Our heat source is this heat lamp. It's kicking the heat out, and we are going to start with our British BTU meters, and we are going to set those in at 500. Okay, so there's 500 BTUs coming out of the heat lamp. Okay, now the first piece of glass is obviously just single insulated glass. This glass, I hope you don't have it in your house today because you're going to be quite cold. When we put this in, the BTU meter, it actually shows that the single glass goes from 500 to 400. Okay? So what that tells us is if you are heating your house and you have single strength glass in there, probably 4/5 of the glass or 4/5 of your energy goes to heat the outside. Okay? From there, the move up was to come up with insulated glass. The insulated glass is 2 panes of glass, and it's clear in the center of the glass at that point. And now we'll put that in here and see where that pegs on the BTU meter. And the insulated glass comes up to 300. So now the heat transfer of the heat escaping out of your home is obviously much better. We're at 300 with that. From there, the next progression was to the first style of low E glass. Okay? And low E glass is actually a coating that is on the inside panes of the glass. If you can't see it, you can't feel it because it's on the inside surface of the glass. If you ever want to know if you have low E glass, take a lighter, turn the lighter on, you'll see one reflection of the glass, another reflection for the second piece of glass, and a third reflection for the low E. The low E stands for low emissivity. It's a coating that's put on the glass. Okay, we're going to put that in and see where we're at. And now we are down to about 295. Okay, so less heat going out of the house, less heat escaping. Okay, now the next improvement that was made was high performance glass. Okay, the high performance glass was talked about with 2 coats of low E on it. Okay, we're going to slide this in, and now we are down to about 45, right at about 45. Okay, so that was a major improvement in the heat escaping from your house. Okay, the newest technology in glass is actually called low E 366. That's actually 3 coatings of low E that is placed on the glass, and the performance is with that in the argon is significantly better. We will put that in there, and now we see that we get the BTU meter, and we get it pegged down to about 7 or 8. Okay, that is the energy inside your house. That is the heat that is escaping outside your house. So you may say to yourself, you know, what would be better? Maybe it would be better if we would take fiberglass insulation, put that in between 2 panes of glass. Well, let's see where that comes out to be. That comes out to be about 78. So as you can see, the new Low E 366 glass outperforms fiberglass. Let's talk about a couple pieces of glass at once. Let's take the insulated fiberglass and let's put 4 panes of glass on here. Now we are at 50. So the Low E 366 glass actually outperforms insulation in between the glass and regular insulated glass. We can sit here and stack the panes up. We can do it a number of different ways, but the most energy efficient glass out there is the Low E 366 glass. We have this available in vinyl windows. We also have it available in wood windows too. If you've got any questions, please give us a call at Tekton Home Improvement. There's our number and there's our website. My name's Mark, and please feel free to email me any more of your questions. We'll be happy to answer them about any types of windows. Thanks, and stay warm this winter.